Hello everyone and welcome back to Krishna Tech. So today we are going to unbox the Blue Yeti microphone which I ordered from Amazon. So let's get started. So with this microphone you can control your recording in real time with its control for headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute and microphone gain. The Yeti puts you in charge of every level of the recording process. If you are experiencing distortion or feedback while recording an especially loud source, simply adjust the microphone's sensitivity with the gain control. Or if you want to take a break in the middle of a podcast, use the instant mute button. The microphone comes equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack and allows you to listen to what you are recording in real time without latency delays. You can adjust the volume of your headphones using a control on the front of the microphones. Innovative design makes the recording easy. The Yeti features a visual design inspired by classic recording equipment, a stylish retro aesthetic that will complement any computer system. Its metallic grille and shiny frame recall the look of old-timey microphones because it's built on a hinge. As you can see in the picture, it's built on a hinge like this one. You can adjust and pivot the microphone in relation to the sound source, improving sound quality. Once you have it at a desired angle, you can use the set screws. The set screws are these screws, the set screws to secure it in the place. The microphone can also be folded up and down for easy recording, for easy portability also, or removed completely from its base for field recordings. So the specifications about the microphone are capsules, condenser, pressure, gradient. Polar patterns are cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional, stereo. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Sample rate is 40 kHz. Bit rate 60 bit. Max SPL is 120 dB. So what's in the box? We are going to find out. So let's start unboxing. So yeah, you just open up this flap from here. This flap, you can actually see the microphone. So what I'm gonna do to take it out is like this. Not like this. Just like that, it's out. So it's like this. You can see as it is, and I'm gonna open it up. So you can see the seal. So I'm gonna break this seal. Let me see. Yes, the seal is not broken. Not broken. I don't know. So here it goes. Okay. So what do we get? Okay, we get a booklet. It says Yeti. I will actually I will have to go through the booklet. Let's go through the booklet like this. No need though. And here's the USB cable which you get for the microphone. Let's take it out. And I know you all want to see the microphone, and I also want to see it. So let's go. And here it is, the Blue Yeti microphone. So carefully we'll take this all out in one piece. As I said. Yes, as I said, if I said one piece, then one piece it is. Okay. So let's remove this big chunk. and got that silicon out of the way. So here is a microphone, the blue Yeti microphone. Wait a minute, I will adjust the camera so that you all can see it. There you all go. So the microphone is like this, and it looks very good. Actually, I ordered midnight blue, so the color, and the color is very good, but the volume buttons, they feel like some plastic feel. They give you some plastic feels, but you'll have to make it do till then. That's your mute button. So let's go at the back. So at the back we have these are the buttons, the polar pattern buttons. So at the back we have this stereo button. So I hope you can all see it. Yeah, now you can. So the stereo button, this is the omnidirectional button, cardioid button, the cardioid, and the bidirectional. So I'm just gonna do it to cardioid. That's it. So this is your gain button. So this is how the microphone feels. It gives you a very sturdy look and a very very unique design. So I like this microphone. It's very good design, and here are some pads for skipping it away. And let me show you all the jacks. So here is your USB jack, and here's your headphone jack from if you have uh, any mic stand, so you can insert it like this. So let me tell you how it looks with the headphone jack on. So here I have the jack with me right now. So it's this usually cable is very lengthy, so this gets here. Yeah, it gets here, and the other part gets onto your gets onto your computer. So this is the Blue Yeti. I'll show you, and I think if I am to show you without it and just properly, any luck, carefully, then I will be the person who will be most happy. Carefully, you need to do all this. So here's the microphone. I will put it back on. Very carefully I will have to put it back on because the hinges are not very strong, you see. So very carefully I will have to do it. It's a very tricky part, as you can all see. So yeah, I got it completed. For a moment I thought I was a goner. Well, there it is. So the U Blue Yeti, as I show you. So I hope that this video will be good to you all, and it will help you to choose a correct professional microphone. So yeah, wait for any other videos that I will upload for for any other unboxing video. So till then, goodbye and love to all. Thank you.